guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's my first day of school and I am getting ready. I started with enough time and now I'm like short on time. So if you want to keep watching and see how I got this amazing look using one of the JACLYN hair palettes, just stay tuned. So today's my first day of school and my anxiety is in thousands. So the other day I went to the Waterline store and I got, I'm assuming you already know, I got the JACLYN Hill Vault. And I wanted to try their lip liners. And I got some, you know, pencils. I mean, what are these called? Oh, yeah, brushes, whatever. I guess it's cute. I should be like more rushing, but I'm actually getting ready pretty early. I don't want to be late at all. I'm gonna do what time it is. So let me do my brows real quick and I'll be right back so we can continue chit-chatting. So I also got like a BoxyCharm this month. This is my first time getting it. The only reason I ordered it was because I saw this and a couple of people's like social media. Now after the whole scandal about her, I don't really want it anymore. But anyways, so I don't know what I want to use from the Vault collection yet. Let's see. I'm only gonna pick one. I'm just gonna randomly pick one. This is the one that I picked. Now let's see which one it is. I don't want to use this one. I mean, I guess this is the one the Vault picked. I picked randomly. So I'm going to start off with Rush. You know when you have a vision in your head of what you want to do as makeup? But it's just not gonna work. This is not what's gonna work today. So next I'm gonna go with Alert. This is color right here. This is a really nice color. And I'm like trying to pack the color on just so it can be more, I guess.
Okay.
So now I'm going to carve out half a crease. A flat brush, and I'm gonna take this color right here. I think I should have my brush. take Boom with the same brush. I'm kind of going over the red because I don't like it. Now to deepen the corner just a tad bit, I'm gonna go in with Secret. That's it for eyes right now. I'm going to, for foundation, I'm going to use you can see I'm gonna use the what is this called again? Oh, Makeup Revolution. You see the one everybody compares to the Shape Tape, which I don't see why, but whatever. This is a little light for me right now, but I don't care. I'm gonna use the Airspun. If it looks like I'm rushing, it's because now I'm rushing. To bronze my face a little bit. I'm gonna use this Tarte Amazonian clay. I got this like 2 years ago on a birthday thing from Sephora. Talking about birthday, my birthday's coming up. I want to have really rosy cheeks today. Not rosy, but like, you know. And I never use this. The reason I'm using this is because I saw a video on Instagram. A girl was using this blush and she put like, it looked like she put so much on, but she didn't, and it just looked amazing, and I want to look that amazing. For my waterline, I am going to use, actually just got a new liner. Where is it? Here. I keep hearing amazing things about this, and this is the LA Girl. Oh my god, this works better than my Marc Jacobs one. That's so crazy. So I'm telling you, price don't mean nothing. I'm gonna go back in with that brown just to smoke it all over. So for mascara, I'm going to use this It Cosmetics. I got this in a box in that Ipsy a while ago. I need to hurry up. I don't even curl my lashes great. For highlighter, I'm going to go with my, no, I'm not using this. I said I was going to use that for a while. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Balm. So yeah guys, I'm so excited about school. I've always wanted to be a nurse, but I guess I just never really thought I can do it. But then one day I told myself, like, who says I can't? Who can tell me I possibly can't be a nurse? Like, I guess it's because I've never really been someone who's been into school like that. And I also got this Matchbox. I've always wanted to try these lip sticks, but I never really got a chance to. It's kind of cheap sometimes. Oh, this color is amazing. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. But it's whatever. I guess it's cool. So you guys, this is my final look. This is my first day of school makeup look. I wish my hair would have some more volume here. Yeah, I'm gonna go get dressed now. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button right there. Bye guys.